Hello, I'm Mike Hetman, and welcome to another edition of CMS Forex News. Today is Monday, November 26th, 2007. There were no major fundamental releases to start this week. However, in financial news, HSBC faces $12 billion in additional write-downs for subprime defaults. Citigroup is also said to have a large amount that is tied to investments in subprime mortgages that may have to be written down onto its balance sheet. The dollar gave up its Sunday gains to the yen as Monday's New York trading got underway. Yen strength has been a clear gauge of risk aversion in carry trade and lower investor confidence. The yen had been gaining during the European session, and in today's negative news out of the financial sector boosted the yen in New York trading. The pair traded below 108.20 by 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The pound also gave up some of its overnight gains versus the yen. To start the week, the pound-yen pair climbed about 160 pips, matching Friday's high near 224.80. With the New York Open, the yen recovered and cut the pound's gains for this session by half. In a final yen cross, we look at the Aussie-yen pair. Here too, the Australian dollar started the week strong as Asian stock markets rallied and carry trade resumed. However, those gains were cut down in European and New York trading, and the pair fell 200 pips from the day's high to trade below 94.55 by 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The fundamental docket gets busier overnight as we head towards the end of the month. Japan releases a report on prices that corporations pay for services. Overnight, Switzerland will reveal producer and import prices, as well as a measure of consumer consumption. In Germany, an important measure of business confidence is expected to notch down slightly. Tomorrow morning in the U.S., we get an index of home prices, consumer confidence, and the Richmond Fed Index. Thanks for joining us here at CMS Forex News. I'm Mike Hetman. Have a nice day.